As someone na hindi naman talaga into full-time trading, we tend to do different trading styles. Kaya naman for today's video, I would like to share a trading platform that can suit your different trading styles. And syempre, isi-share ko na rin sa inyo yung mga iba't ibang trading strategies, leverages, and kung ano yung kahalagahan ng pagkakonsider sa spreads and commissions. Kaya naman, I would like you to stay tuned until the end para wala kayong ma-miss na kahit anong information. So the trading platform that we're going to talk about is IUX. So na-feature ko na actually si IUX dito sa ating YouTube channel several times already. And right now is, syempre, we are going to do a new review this 2026. So happy New Year pala sa inyong lahat na nanonood ng video na ito. So nandito tayo ngayon sa kanilang official website, which is www.iux.com, or you can just refer to the link in the description box below. So guys, kilala niyo ako as someone na nagre-review ng mga trading platforms. Talagang nagpupunta tayo sa pinakababang part ng kanilang official website kasi dito nakalagay yung mga licenses and regulatory sila kung saan sila authorized. And if you want to dig deeper pa sa inyong pagre-research regarding sa mga trading platform na nai-encounter po ninyo, pwedeng-pwede nyo i-search yung mga Financial Services Commission, which is actually, ito yung pinaka-main na regulatory sa mga trading platforms. And good thing, si IUX Markets naman is authorized by them. So, pwede nyo i-research yan and then you can copy itong kanilang code or digits, kung ano man yung ID number nila sa Financial Services Commission. Pwede nyo i-copy yan, yung license number pala rather. Ayan. And i-search nyo doon sa mismong website ng FSC. And may kita ninyo doon na talagang registered si IUX Markets. So, actually, you can do it sa iba't iba pang authorities dito. Ayan meron din silang FSCA. And yung kanilang number, may kita nyo rin dyan. Pwede nyong gawin yon just to double check, 'di ba, if they are actually really registered sa mga ganung authorities. And hindi ko na ipapakita sa video na to yung process na yon. So, kumbaga, sinasuggest ko lang na gawin nyo yon every time you encounter a new trading platform. So, meron din namang ibang mga website or official website ng mga trading platforms na hindi nagpapakita ng ganitong section sa pinakaibabang part ng kanilang official website, which is really shady. Kasi pag gano'n na guys, hindi sila actually, registered sa mga authorities, baka gawa-gawa lang yung trading platform na yon. And we discourage na mag-register kayo sa mga ganong klaseng trading platforms. So good thing naman kay IUX Markets, they're very transparent when it comes to authorities and licenses. Ayan, may kita nyo naman dito that they are showing you guys yung license number nila. So dito guys, kay IUX, talagang fineflex nila yung mabilis na execution ng ating mga trades. So, as you can see right here, built for precision, tuned for speed. 30 millisecond average execution. So, it's really important kasi guys, once na in-execute mo yung trade mo, dapat agad-agad papasok. Malikot kasi yung market price. Kaya, sa maliit na segundo, maliit na difference lang sa price is nakaka-apekto na yan ng malaki sa trade po natin. Kaya yun yung pinapromise nila or yung kiniklaim nila for their traders na meron silang fast trading execution. So guys, IUX is accessible in different devices. Pwede sa mobile, pwede sa laptop, computer, and meron din silang MT4, MT5 available. Pwede rin yan i-download sa ating mobile and laptop device. You can just refer to the link in the description box below for you to register. And here, you can sign up instantly, fund your account, and start trading right away. Pero syempre guys, before you register dito sa IUX, I would like to inform you or warn you that trading is very risky. Oo. Kung wala kayong sapat na kaalaman or proper orientation ng ating attitude when it comes to trading. So, hindi magiging maganda yung trading experience po natin. Kasi yung investment natin, pwedeng ma-wipe out, kung kayo padalos-dalos sa inyong trade. Kaya naman, just invest the money that you can afford to risk. Okay, so right now is nandito na tayo sa ating dashboard. As a beginner, I would recommend sana na mag-try muna kayo sa demo account for you to explore yung platform nila. Siyempre, hindi naman dapat agad-agad kayong mag-place no, ng inyong real money sa inyong real account kung hindi pa kayo familiar sa mismong trading platform structure ni IUX. Okay, so dito sa demo account, you can create by clicking on create account. So dito sa standard account po nila, which is good daw for beginners, nag-offer sila dito ng minimum of 0.2 pips na spreads. So guys, yung spreads kasi is yung difference no between the market price and yung mismong selling or buying price ninyo doon sa trade. And yung spread kasi guys, doon din sila kumukuha ng commissions in every trade that you make. Okay? Kaya naman, if you are someone na palaging nagtitrade, which is, I think that is, yung nagsascalping, yung fast or short-term trading, guys, mas recommended sana if you will go sa mas maliit na spread. Kasi lagi kayong gumagawa ng transaction, di ba? And talking about those type of trading strategies or style, papasok na rin dyan yung leverage. So guys, yung leverage is yun yung multiplier. Let's say, if you are trading worth $10, pwede yan maging $100 margin, $1,000 margin. Depende sa leverage po na ginawa natin sa ating trading account. So, makikita naman natin dito, meron naman silang guide for beginner or if you're already a professional, ito yung nire-recommend nila, yung pro trading account po nila. Meron din silang raw, and may kita natin dito yung mga minimum deposit din naman. Ayan, so dito naman tayo sa standard guys, ang minimum deposit is $10 and ang minimum withdrawal is $5, which is really good, no? Kasi mas mataas yung deposit kaysa sa minimum withdrawal. Yung iba kasi, guys, na na-encounter ko na trading platform, mas mataas yung withdrawal. O paano mo withdraw ngayon yung pera mo kung ayaw mo na mag-trade, di ba? So, dito naman kay IUX, guys, sinisecure nila yung funds ninyo. And pati yung, yung trust natin sa kanila. Okay? So, ayan, pwede kayong mag-try ng demo sa standard account. Ilalagay nyo lang kung anong leverage yung ipi-place po natin or gagawin natin dito sa ating demo account. So, syempre, the lower the leverage, lower the risk, lower the reward. Pero, sa high naman is mataas din naman yung reward na pwede nating makuha kung okay yung trade natin. Pero, meron din tayo ditong medium. So, yung leverage kasi depends din in different trading styles. So, dito napapasok, guys. Pag kayo kasi is more on scalping or short-term trading, mataas dapat yung leverage natin. Para konting difference lang ng price is mataas na agad yung change ng ating profit. Yung scalping talaga is high risk talaga yan. And for long term naman, ang suitable dyan is low leverage. Kumbaga, kasi sa haba-haba ng oras, let's say 1 month time, 2 month time, malikot yung market. Maraming changes na nagaganap dyan. Kaya, dapat maliit lang din yung magiging difference nito sa ating portfolio. Okay? So, hindi pwede yung mahabang oras, mataas na leverage, ay, ubos ang iyong ang iyong funds sa inyong real account. So, ganun siya, guys. So, yung leverage talaga is nakadepende pa rin kung anong trading style yung gagawin po natin. So guys, pag nag-create kasi kayo ng account dito, trading accounts, may ibibigay silang information and password. Actually, kayo rin yung magsiset ng password. Doon nyo lang ma-access yung inyong trading account. Okay, so right now is we are going to open yung ginawa nating demo account. So, pag i-click natin tong trade, meron tayo dito ang dalawang option like IUX Web Trade and MetaTrader 5 Web Terminal. Pero based on my experience, no, as of right now, at this moment, na naggawa ako ng video na to, hindi ko ma-access yung IUX Web Trade. Kaya dito na lang tayo sa MetaTrader Web Terminal. So, Web Terminal which means sa mismong browser naman natin. Hindi na kailangan na mag-download tayo. Kasi meron naman sila dito mga application platform. Like sa IUX app natin sa mobile device is automatically makapag-trade na tayo on our mobile phone. Pero ako kasi I'm using my laptop and nasa Chrome browser po tayo. Kaya may papakita ko sa inyo siya dito sa kanilang MetaTrader 5 web terminal. Actually, meron din naman akong MetaTrader 5 app dito sa ating computer. Pero hindi ko na ipapakita yan actually. No? Dito na lang tayo sa mas madaling demonstrate sa inyo, which is itong si MetaTrader 5 web terminal. Well, actually, mas gusto ko sana dito sa IUX Web Trade pero hindi ko siya ma-access as of right now. Ayan. So, kung i-click natin yan, open lang natin yung MT5 web terminal. And ang gagawin lang natin is, ayan, automatically pala guys, is naka-login na tayo. And if you want to go sa iba't ibang mga accounts po natin, is dito lang sa upper right corner, pwede tayo mag-switch into different trading accounts. Alright? So, ayan. Ganito yung tsura ng kanilang MetaTrader Web Terminal 5 platform. So here guys, may kita natin mga iba't ibang currencies na pwede nating i-trade. And dito rin guys, pwede kayong mag-add ng mga iba't ibang indicators. May mga drawing tools din tayo dito, like you can draw trend line, di ba? Ayan o, trend line based on your time frame. So sa time frame dito guys, may available sila na 1 minute, which is good for scalping trading style. And right here is pwede ka rin mag-personalize ng inyong market execution. So, it's really important also to manage your risk by placing a stop loss and take profit. Okay, so ayan, pag nag-execute kayo ng trade, may kita nyo lang dito sa baba yung in-execute yung trading order. Okay, so let's say for example lang, no, we are going to place a buy position. So ayan, pag nag-place ka ng buy position, done, may kita natin dito sa baba yung ating pinlace na trade. And may kita rin natin dito yung status ng ating profit. So, pwede nyo rin yan i-cancel, guys, or pwede rin natin siyang i-personalize. Pwede nating i-set yung stop loss, take profit. Ayan. So, may kita lang natin yan dito. So, dito naman guys is makakapag-deposit kayo once you open a real account. Pero syempre, mas mainam sana if you are verified. Kasi pag verified po tayo, mas marami tayong ma-access na features and limits. Guys, hindi tayo malilimitahan when it comes to deposit, withdrawal, ganyan. So, if you're going to open a real account, meron na sila dito agad deposit, no, na option. Based on my observation dito, yung pagde-deposit seems limited yung kanilang, yung kanilang payment method. We are able to deposit using cryptocurrency. Pero, do not worry kasi we can actually use GCash sa GCrypto. Ayan, makapag-deposit tayo ng ating crypto dito sa IUX. So, meron tayo actually no sa GCrypto na USDT TRC20 or USDT ERC. So, yung ERC is ito siya, yung ETH. So, just be very careful when it comes to depositing, guys. Kasi you have to be very particular when it comes to wallet address. Bawal na may mali dyan kahit isa. Or it's really easy lang naman to scan QR code na lang para hindi na kayo mag-copy-paste and mag-double check ng ilang beses, di ba? So, ayan. In that way, you will be able to deposit money using cryptocurrency sa ating GCrypto within GCash application. Okay? Pero again, do not invest the money that you cannot afford to risk, most especially if you are not well educated, no? Kung wala pa kayong idea at all sa pagte-trade, guys, huwag muna kayong mag-start dito. Just do your own research pa din. And mas maganda sana if you will be able to enter some courses, no, when it comes to trading para meron kayong proper education. And for withdrawal naman, guys, is here, you have to select bank. And ang kagandahan na dito is accessible na, guys, sa withdrawal, yung mga local banks na available po dito sa Pilipinas. Or depende sa lugar kung nasaan ka. Ayan. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is you have to fill out, no, yung account number ng bank, yung account holder's name, and i-upload nyo yung screenshot ng inyong bank account document just to ensure na sa inyo talaga yung account na yon. Okay? So, syempre, nag-iingat lang din sila kasi may mga hackers, no, ng mga account na hindi dapat basta-basta mawi-withdraw yung pera dito sa inyong personal na trading account. So, iniingatan lang din naman. Pero if you are really the owner naman, di ba, you will be able to provide those information here and walang magiging problema. So, there you go, guys. I think that's it for IUX. And again, if you want to register for an account here in this platform, you can just refer to the link in the description box below. And you can comment down, no? Feel free to comment below if you have any questions and sasagutin ko yan kung alam ko yung sagot. And I hope, guys, patuloy nyo pa rin ako suportahan dito sa aking YouTube channel sa kahit anong niche na i-upload ko. And I'm still hoping to upload more trading platforms here in the future as well. So yeah, there you go, guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. And kung na-enjoy nyo ito, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa aking mga uploads. So have a nice day. God bless and goodbye!